Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Justin Case with America Newscape. Today we're here again with Sarah Wisdom with the Yuma County Libraries for the Yuma County Libraries event happenings. Hello, Sarah.
Hello, thank you for having me again this week. I'd like to let everybody know that since it is the week of New Year's, that the libraries will be closing at 5 o'clock on Tuesday, January 31st, and then we will all remain closed on the 1st for New Year's Day, but all the libraries will reopen at their regular time on the 2nd. So even though we do have a holiday in the middle of the week, there's still a lot going on at Yuma County Libraries, and we do hope you come to see us. The first event I want to talk about today is taking place on the 2nd at our Wellton Library. They are hosting a craft for adults called Cactus Rock Gardens. And this is perfect if you're somebody like me who does not have a green thumb and plants shudder when you walk by. This is the craft for you. What we're going to do is take some flat river rocks and paint them to look like cactus. Arrange them in a pot, and there you go. You'll have a nice cactus garden that is impossible to kill. So perfect for people with black thumbs like me. The next event is coming up on Saturday, and kind of a fun one. We have Intro to Ukuleles coming up at our main library. Now, this was news to me. I did not know that Yuma has a whole group of ukulele enthusiasts, and they are anxious to talk about their favorite instrument. They are going to be telling you a little bit about the history of the ukulele, the different models and sizes available, how you can go about purchasing one, and then one of our librarians will be on hand to show you a database called ArtistWorks, and that is a collection of how-to videos that show you how to play all kinds of different instruments, including the ukulele. So if you have a New Year's resolution to learn an instrument this year, maybe consider the ukulele. That's coming up at our main library. It's happening at 10 o'clock on Saturday. The last event I'm going to talk about today are vision boards. And this is kind of a great New Year's themed craft. It's taking place at our Heritage Library at 10:30 a.m. And basically a vision board is kind of a visual affirmation of goals and just whatever you want to achieve in the new year. So you're going to sit down with old magazines and books and just cut out pictures of different things that represent what your goals are for 2020 and put them on your vision board, and you'll be able to take that home and put it up on the fridge and track your progress this year. So as always, those are just a few of the events happening at Yuma County Libraries. There's no charge to attend, and for more information, you can always visit us online at yumalibrary.org or follow us on social media.
Sarah, thank you for the updates. It looks like it'll be an exciting finale to the year and look forward to next year. This is Justin Case with America Newscape. Until next week, signing off.